At Pella, we believe that our customers deserve the very best, which is why we created Pella Lifestyle Series products. They were intentionally designed to outperform expectations and are the #1 performing wood windows and patio doors for the combination of energy, sound, and value. They offer the most desired features and are packed with 37 time-tested innovations, including integrated blinds, shades, and security sensors. So whether your style is more traditional or modern, or somewhere in between, you have the flexibility to choose the right look for your home. Maybe you can't enjoy a room in your home because it gets too hot when the sun beats in, or is too cold in the winter because your windows are drafty. Pella Lifestyle Series offers performance options that are on average 79% more energy efficient than single-pane windows. Maybe you live near an airport, on a busy street, or your neighbors have vocal pets. Focus on what matters inside your home and reduce 52% more sound than single-pane windows with available performance options. Pella Lifestyle Series products are designed to perform in real life and are backed by the best limited lifetime warranty in the industry. Visit Pella.com/lifestyle to learn how windows and doors can make a difference in your home.